Hey guys, show for Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance Made in England 991s. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the New Balance Made in England 991 in the UK size 40, forgive me, it's a UK size 9, which is a European 43, and it's US men's 9.5. And if you're looking for an on-feet review, guys, I'm terribly sorry we won't be able to do this because this is not my size. To be fair, these sneakers aren't for me. We were just graciously gifted them to review for the channel from my brother. So big shout out to Bernard. We love you. We got this in the navy colorway. So this is one of the iconic, I would say. First, obviously, grey New Balances are the most known, sought after. And then I would just say the navy New Balances are on par. I mean, I've got a pair of both. So we've done reviews of like the New Balance 990s, V5s. I've got in the grey, and we've done the navy New Balance 2002Rs. Do check those out. But we have done a Made in England 991 review in the past. Go to check that out again. Those were a great pair of sneakers like these because they were just made in England. Well, made in the UK. And the made in UK, made in the US lines from New Balance are just their premium products right there for you. So let's get unboxing. But before we do all that, we've got to show the box. So it is the Made in England box. So you got Made in England since 1982, Union Jack right there for you. And obviously it's New Balance. So the New Balance factory in Filmby, I hope I didn't pronounce that right. It's Flimby, up in Cumbria. There's a whole factory up there where all the Made in England, Made in the UK sneakers are produced, and they use the best quality materials, which we're gonna show you right now for you. And here's the sneaker itself. And just to show in the box, we've got, made in Flimby, England. So it's kind of got a nice illustration of the Flimby factory and a little description, made in England, showing you where Flimby is. It's up in Cumbria for all our English friends watching and UK friends. It's up in, the Lake District. And for all our non-UK friends, visit the Lake District if you want. It's a very nice, lovely area up in England. So here we are with the sneaker themselves. Beautifully crafted. Not gonna lie, so a lot of the made-in stuff comes unlaced, so you have to lace them up yourself. So we just pre-laced them to show you how they look on. Very nice, don't you think? And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is your traditional 991 outsoles. Well, here you got your traction and you got the absorb presentation there for you, and a lot of that, traction support or the traction patterning has the N for New Balance, obviously. Midsole unit is a foam midsole, but it uses that absorb technology. Highlighted there at the heel unit where it says absorb. So you've got that plating there, that cushioning right there, all your support. Now the upper is beautifully crafted, I must say. Look at the stitching work here on the sneaker. It's not really a fault because the way that New Balance construct it up in England and Flimby is all handcrafted. Each section is taken differently by person as well, and the materials that I use, you gotta believe it. I know you guys can't feel it, but the suede that's used here is beautiful. It's soft to the touch. I mean, the way that it looks as well is beautiful, and I'm pretty sure it's just on par with the Made in US lines from New Balance. However, the new made in the US lines from New Balance, they are at the helm of Teddy Santis, who is obviously the founder and director of Amley and Dore. He's also now one of the directors for New Balance. So there is a lot of differences in regards to the made in the US lines to the made in the UK. Obviously, both are handcrafted in their respective countries. So the US one's crafted in Boston, whilst the UK one is made in Flimby. And, you know, they both share the craftsmanship of an artisan shoe crafter, as it were. So going back into this made in England pair we have got for you here. So you got just underneath the leather panelings, the suede panels, sorry, you got your meshes all there. It's reflective, so you can see it on the end that's on the lateral and the medial sides of the sneaker. Nicely padded tongue with the New Balance 991 logo, and just behind it you got the Made in England with Union Jack. Or to be fair, if it was made in England, it would be St George's flag, white and red, but we're not going to get into that. There's a lot of debates. I know people, if you're watching this who are on English or on British, you don't really get it, so I'm not even going to bother. Just know it's beautifully crafted in the UK. And moving along on to the insole, so you got an absorb insole here. The insert right there says it there for you on the inside. And at the heel, you got the 991 logo for you there. It's such a shame that these don't fit me, because I am a UK size 7.5 when it comes to New Balances, and I personally don't have a pair of made in England. I'm trying to sort myself out with a pair. I say sort myself out with a pair, that implies that I'm getting them for free, which I'm not. I pay for my sneakers, but we were blessed enough to have these given to us for a review. So again, thank you to my flesh and blood, Bernard, if you're watching, and we know that you are. We love you. We're going to show you B-roll, snaps, whatever, however Jeff wants to play with them. Until next time, guys, we're going to leave you with these beautiful shots of this sneaker, and I'm just going to round it off by saying, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, all that good stuff, and follow us on Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, I see you lovely people. Peace. Here are some beautiful shots curated by our own Jefferson.